Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Travel Eat Repeat. Let's make these smashed baked crispy potatoes. This is a hassle-free, easy and very quick recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's begin. So I had these potatoes and they were about to grow back. So I thought let's make the baked potatoes out of them. So first you'll take some cold water and add quarter teaspoon of baking soda. This will keep the potatoes soft from inside and nice and crispy on the outside. So just mix that in the cold water and add your potatoes in the cold water. Now we have to boil the potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft. So the potatoes are done and now we have to make the oil. So we'll take half cup olive oil. You can use normal oil or butter as well. Half teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, onion powder half teaspoon and garlic powder half teaspoon as well. A teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I just had cayenne pepper, you can use red chili flakes as well. Half teaspoon of salt and just mix that in. Now transfer the boiled potatoes into a bowl and the glorious chili oil that we made. Now you can drizzle half of it on the potatoes and you have to keep half of it for later. So just coat the potatoes very well, just shake them so they're all covered in that oil. We are keeping half of it because I'm going to show you when to brush the potatoes again with that oil. Now once you have coated the potatoes well, just cover your chopping board with a baking paper or sheet and then transfer the potatoes on it. Now what you have to do is take a glass or anything that has a flat base and you have to smash the potatoes with it. Just lightly smash them, don't break them and turn them into dust and pieces. So we just smash them, and once all the potatoes are smashed, what you have to do is take a baking tray with baking paper on it and transfer all the smashed potatoes on it. Now the chili oil, still we are going to drizzle half of that half oil on them and still keep half of the oil for later. Brush all the potatoes in. I have preheated my halogen oven at 250 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. You can use your air fryer, normal oven, you can pan fry them as well. Now we have to bake them for 15 minutes on this side, and once these are baked and all like fully cooked and brown in color, then what we have to do is we have to flip all the potatoes. Now be careful as they're very hot at this time. Now take the remaining chili oil and brush the potatoes from the other side as well. After brushing all the chili oil on it, we have to bake them again for 15 minutes on this side as well, and I'm sure they will turn really nice and crispy by that time and you're gonna love them, trust me on that. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thank you for watching.